Hi, I'm Marik Beju, and today I'm going to explain how industries are classified on different bases. For me, the learning outcome was that I was able to learn more about the classification of industries. I was able to learn the classification of industries based on raw material, main role, capital investment, ownership, and bulk and weight of raw material more faster and easier. I learned more about the basic industry, iron and steel industry, and other industries that came as examples in various classifications. Industries are classified into two types on the basis of the raw materials used. Agro-based industries, industries that use agricultural products as raw materials. Mineral-based industries, industries that use minerals as their raw materials. Examples of agro-based industries are cotton textile, silk textile, etc. The examples of mineral-based industry are iron and steel industry and aluminum industry. On the basis of their main role, industries are classified into two: basic or key industries. These industries supply their product or raw materials to manufacture other goods. Consumer industries. These are the industries that produce goods for direct use by consumers. The examples of basic industries are iron and steel smelting, copper smelting, etc. The examples of consumer industries are textile industry and sugar industry, etc. On basis of capital investment, industries are divided into three. Small scale industry. If the invested capital is up to rupees 1 crore, then the industry is called a small scale industry. Large scale industry. If the invested capital is more than rupees 1 crore, then the industry is called a large scale industry. Cottage industry. It is a manufacturing activity carried on in people's home. The examples of large scale industries are telecom industry, iron and steel industry, etc. Examples of small scale industries are the weaving industry and the hollow brick industries. The examples of cottage industries are basket weaving, carpet making, etc. On the basis of ownership, industries can be classified into four categories. Public sector. Government agencies own and operate these industries. Private sector. Individuals or a group of individuals own and operate these industries. Joint sector. Government and individuals jointly own these industries. Cooperative sector. Producers or suppliers of raw materials or workers or both own these industries. The examples of private industries are Dabur Industries, Bajaj Auto Limited, etc. The examples of public industries are Bhil and SAIL. The examples of joint industries are Amul and oil industries. The examples of cooperative industries are Koyoi making in India and sugarcane industries in Maharashtra. On the basis of bulk and raw materials used, industries are classified into two. Heavy industries. These industries use heavy raw materials and also produce heavy goods. Light industries. These industries use light raw materials and produce light goods such as electrical industries. The example of heavy industry is iron and steel industry, and the example of light industry is electronic industry. It was a very interesting experience for me in doing this project. Learning more about the classification of industries was very helpful, especially during the exams. It had helped me in enhancing my creativity in making projects. Thereby, I conclude my presentation. Thank you.